Are you in the mood I'm in? Sitting by the river, by the dock of the bay.
Are you
Sitting
thinking?
in the morning sun.
I knew you were going to go there.
Hey everybody, it's Jim.
Hey, and I'm Vanessa.
Thanks for taking the off-ramp to adventure. Today we're taking you to someplace kind of special, a little different.
Yeah, where we're at right now is on going up on a bridge that has been dormant for what?
40 years.
40 years?
40 years they haven't used it.
And the great thing of it is it ends into a city that a lot of people don't know about. The renovation over there has been incredible.
If you saw our new Lou video, you're gonna love this. But first, we've got to walk over this. The Big Ford Bridge that sat dormant for 40 years without that right there. It just stopped right there and sat across the Ohio River, had no purpose until now. It's an awesome trip. And this thing is so huge. It's just incredible to walk across. And what's really weird about it, it's really peaceful when you do it. That off in the distance is Louisville, Kentucky. The town we're going to is Jeffersonville, Indiana, across the river. We've had a lot of humidity lately, and today we get a nice break. It's kind of cool. Actually wearing a long sleeve shirt.
Well, it's like a fall day. We have had close to 100, feels like 102.
Yeah.
Just 2 days ago.
Heat index has been brutal.
Right now it's about 72, no humidity. I don't know what's going on with the
Simply
weather.
awesome, that's what it is, simply awesome.
We've got many bridges that come over the Ohio River. We actually have a yellow bridge, bright yellow bridge. They call Indiana the sunny side of Kentucky, and so it is very bright yellow, which we love. Maybe. It's just very bright.
I call a yellow bridge the vanilla bean bridge because it's not really yellow. It's like vanilla bean.
So,
I'm guessing they got the paint on sale. I don't know. Okay, here starts the walk. You can tell it's really a popular walk too. Gonna walk over the Ohio River. You know, your mind tells you it's a strong bridge, but you're still going over a big river. Okay, we have water. We're over the water. Next stop, Jeffersonville. Whew, love the marina. It's all downhill from here.
being from Louisville, Kentucky, right across the river, Jeffersonville really was just a really small town. And something happened when they transformed this into a bridge and connected it together. This is a really hopping town. Thursday nights, streets, sidewalks are closed, people come out.
I think what she's trying to say is it's a supremo place to party.
No, it's not that at all. It's all about family.
Yeah.
It's all about family.
Okay. Never mind. Of all the places we've seen so far in Jeffersonville, I think the one place we'd like to check out is Parlor Pizza. Parlor Pizza, people, pizza, pints. Just looks like a cool place. I can imagine what it's like to live in this place. What'd you find, hon?
I'm trying to figure out where I am.
Where are we at? Where are we?
I don't see a button that says you are here.
I think we're here. Big Ford Bridge.
Oh, here it
yeah,
is.
there we go.
You have arrived.
We are here.
Okay.
The big star.
Yeah.
Okay, see, we've got all this we could check out. I don't know how much we're going to get to, but we're going to try. Stay with us. This looks kind of interesting. I'm not sure what it is, but we're going to find out real quick. Lots of action going on. It's the game yard. What is the game yard? Don't know. Looks like a lot of fun. I know that. Looks kind of like a courtyard where you can play some games, but nothing official. Mainly just a place to hang out, I guess. What do you think? Are we too hip for the game yard?
No, but it was really crowded. There's all kinds of games.
I'm not sure what the games are, though. That's the thing.
You got to have your imagination. I think you create the games yourself. How do you want to do it?
I feel so unhip right now, though. I just really do. We came by this the other night, and they had a band playing. I guess kind of 20s, 30s kind of music. It's very, very serene in here. Very cool. Right in the middle of the city. Not only does it have its own fireplace, it's got some books you can read by the fire. Are they real books?
No. That's a brick.
It's a brick?
That is the Butterflies of North America. There's the pages.
It's a brick.
It's a brick.
I've heard of a book being thick as a brick, but
Sticks and stones. Scones. Recipes for tea. Is this not the cutest thing ever for a backyard?
You know what it looks like? It looks like the Flintstones library.
It really does. I love this. Can you make me one of these?
Yeah, sure. I got plenty of bricks. This is like some kind of Addams Family chandelier, man. Looks like somebody had one too many when they tried to put all this stuff together. I found it. The place to find the wisdom of the owl. Wait. Yeah. He's backwards. You need to... I think he's messed up. Remember when I said Flintstones? Look, there you go. This is like the little hidden part of Jeffersonville that people don't really come to see a lot. We can have a really good time and not spend a whole lot of money and feel kind of hip and happening. Talk about dining on the street. You are literally dining on the street. You see this building right here that's now an eclectic restaurant? Wait till you see the picture on the side of the building. It's the same building that looks almost exactly the same as it did when this picture was taken. What, maybe the 1930s, 1940s? And look, there's a band. They were partying even back then. The Western Ramblers. If you come here, this place is called the Big Red Yeti. Here's why. Big Red Yeti. Yeah. Greeting customers as they come by. And with the shades, he is hip and happening. You ready, Yeti?
Are you serious?
Not like that right now, sorry. We got Fisherman's Wharf we're going to check out. It's actually kind of new. It was established in 2015, but it's become a very popular place to hang out and have some concerts at a riverfront amphitheater. Wait till you see this. Did you know?
That's my line.
Turning around on you this time. Did you know?
What?
That this town, Jeffersonville, Indiana, was once known for gambling.
I find that so hard to believe.
I know. You look at it today and you wouldn't think, what? Yeah. Until 1948, yeah, this place was the place to come place a bet. And then a wealthy businessman gets shot, and all of a sudden, they don't want gambling anymore. And it goes away. And it becomes this peaceful little town that at one time was building big boats. But they're not building big boats anymore, but they're not gambling either, so.
They were gambling in houses, evidently.
Yeah. No, they had casinos.
I just never
No, they
heard of that.
They had casinos on the river. It was crazy.
Really?
Yeah.
Where'd you get your information?
Research.
No, I believe you. I'm just joking.
Thank you.
I know it's weird, but I just love the smell of the river. I mean, a lot of people won't even put their toes in it, but I don't know.
Now,
What is it about water? It just brings you down. Careful.
Kind of cool thing about Jeffersonville too is not just sidewalks, but they have actual artwork in the sidewalks. So not just like any city, they care. There it is on the river, amphitheater. It stretches further than the geese can go, and getting rained on. They've had some cool things happening here, plays, some concerts. Basically it's well, not even a floating barge, but it's huge, and it is equipped with everything artists need to put on a show. Hey, you guys here for the show? What? What? You big show coming up? Did I miss something? No? You're missing dinner. Okay, I get it. I got sprayed already. She told me the sprinklers could come on any minute. Yeah, there. It already came on.
I just realized sitting here, you know, enjoying the water, is that we have to walk back the bridge to get to where we parked. We're a long ways away from our car. I mean,
We're a long ways away from the bridge.
We are.
Oh man, there's the bridge. And our car is somewhere over there. And see where the curly Q is? It's at the bottom over there. And we thought we'd wrap up today's little adventure at
One Sweet Stop.
this is the Widow's Walk Ice Creamery. How cool is that building? We really hope you liked today's little adventure into Jeffersonville, Indiana, and the way they've redone their downtown.
Yeah, it's really pretty. We didn't show you, but just a very small piece of it though, really.
Yeah. If you like this little adventure, would you give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing? We'd really appreciate it. It really helps us grow.
Just remember, adventure is as close as the next off-ramp.
You see the classic Airstream with the little buggies, and they've got them behind the fence. They finally caught them. Do you know what these are? These are the coolest bathrooms you will ever come across. They have like an apartment or motel kind of bathroom in there. Should I show you one? No, never mind. Louisville and Jeffersonville both have a steamboat, or Louisville definitely has a steamboat still. Jeffersonville had a boat, but this is why that is there. It's an ode to the paddle wheel. We were discussing how it looked like something out of the 70s. The paddles are glass, metal. Whoa, it's groovy, man. I think it was the 70s. Are you in the mood I'm in? Sitting by the river, by the dock of the bay.
Are you
Sitting
thinking
in the morning sun.
I knew you were going to go there.
Okay, that's all I can do without copyright stuff. So yeah, but it's going in your head now, isn't it? You're thinking it.
Otis Redding, sitting on the dock of the bay. Got to give him props.
Tell you what.